Good day, everyone. Time for an enlightening snippet on safety. Did you know your reliable smoke alarm has a lifespan? Yes, indeed. Most smoke alarms have a life expectancy of 10 years. Quite fascinating, isn't it? Now you might be wondering, how do I know when it's time to replace mine? Easy. Check the manufacture date on the back of the alarm. If it's been a decade since that date, it's time for a new one. So remember, like all good things, smoke alarms don't last forever. Stay safe, stay aware, and ensure your smoke alarm is up to date. Until our next tidbit of knowledge, cheerio.